Hi, welcome, my dear students. This is a video on multiple and submultiple angles. So we are going to discuss some different types of some other models, right? Till now we have discussed many videos, 7 videos, and this also will be containing different kinds of problems. So on part of that, this first problem what we are having is prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Right, my dear students, how we are going to do this particular problem? You please observe, right? They given that the left hand side, if you take, right, what we are having is tan pi by 4 plus theta, right? Tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta, like this, right? If you consider this. Now this is equal to, right, my dear students, tan pi by 4 plus tan theta, right, divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta, right? And this minus we are having here tan pi by 4, tan a minus b formula, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta, like this, right? Fine. This is equal to now 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, like this. Now this is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, like this, right? Now see, my dear students, this is nothing but actually 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by, right, we have here tan pi by 4 plus tan theta is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, and this is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Now this is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta, right? And this is what we are going to have to please observe. Yeah, see here we are having minus sign. Please remember, here we are having minus sign. Now let us take the LCM part. If you take the LCM part, it is 1 minus tan square theta, like this, right? And this is now 1 plus tan theta, right? If you take LCM here, 1 minus tan theta is there, 1 plus tan theta whole square minus of 1 minus tan theta whole square, like this, right? Fine. This is something like we have got a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is equal to now 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta minus 1 plus tan square theta minus, we are going to have here, right, minus 2 tan theta, like this. Whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square theta, like this. And you know, my dear students, once we simplify this part, let us write here, there is no space here. Now this is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta minus 1 minus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta, like this, plus 2 tan theta, whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square theta, like this, plus 1 and minus 1 minus tan square theta plus tan square theta. Total you have here 2 times of 2 tan theta. 2 times of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, like this. This is 2 into tan 2 theta, like this. Right? That is what the right hand side part. See how beautifully we have got this particular problem. Right? In this way we will be doing this. Just we took and we taken the LCM part and we simplified. We have got this particular problem. See now the second problem, a very important problem. It is a star marked problem. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. That is equal to tan theta plus secant theta. This is what we require to prove. See my dear students, how we are going to do this is very simple. Let us take here tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, right? Right. How we will do this is first tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. this is equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 whole thing divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2 like this. Tan pi by 4 value is what? 1. Therefore, this is now 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 like this. Right? 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Right? Very good. And this, of course, let us write it as 1 plus tan theta by 2. We write it as sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 like this. Right? If you take cos theta by 2 as LCM, now you will have cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Right? Whole thing divided by now cos theta by 2. You get cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 like this. This will cancel. And we have got this cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 like this. Whole thing divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Right? We have got. Let us call this as equation number 1. Right? Fine. You just remember, my dear students, how we have got. We have taken the left hand side part and we got that as cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now see, we are going to do the part of it. How we are going to do, you please observe. Fine. Now you take square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. This is equal to, you are having here 1. 1 means what? Cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 plus sin theta. That sin theta you can write it as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 like this. Right? This thing. Whole thing divided by, right? This is now cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 like this. Right? Very good. Now see, this we can write it as cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square by and cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square. And that, of course, we have something like cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square like this. This cancels. And we have got, of course, this is nothing but equation number 1. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 like this. Right? This is equal to equation number 1. That means this and this are equal. Now it is equal to equation number 1 like this. Both of them are equal. Right, my dear students? Because you see, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 is always positive, however, and cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 is always positive. Therefore, positive quantity we can get this thing, and it is equal to 1 like this. Right? Now we proved this is equal to this. First one is equal to second one. Now let us prove that is equal to, okay, the third one. How we are going to prove? You take see, now the third one is nothing but tan theta plus secant theta like this. This is now tan theta means sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta you are having like this. Right? This is equal to, see my dear students, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta like this. This is equal to 1. 1 means what? You have cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 we can write plus sin theta. Sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 or 2 cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. Right? This we can write. And cos theta, you know, half angle formula, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Now this is equal to cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square divided by, this is a square minus b square, this is nothing but cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 like this. This will cancel. That means this is equal to now cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole thing divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Right? Fine, that is equal to equation number 1. Now all the three are equal to this equation number 1 we have got. That means all of those three are equal. See how beautifully we have got this particular problem. Now see, we have the third problem. How we do the third problem? They given that alpha between 0 to pi by 2. That means in first quadrant, and cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha plus k sin square 2 alpha equal to 1. Then find the value of k. Right? How will you do this problem is, see my dear students, left hand side, we are having here some cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha. Let us try to do this first. Already we told you that this we can write as something like cos square alpha whole cube plus sin square alpha whole cube, like this we can write. Now this is something like AQ plus BQ formula. This is something like AQ plus BQ formula. You know that AQ plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B, like this. Right? Now we use the same thing like here. Now cos square alpha whole cube plus sin square alpha whole cube. This is equal to A plus B. That means cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole cube minus 3 into cos square alpha into sin square alpha into this is now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, like this. Now see, this is 1 minus 3 into cos square alpha sin square alpha into 1, like this. What you do is, now here we want to apply, right, sin 2 alpha. For that what I do is 3 into, you just multiply with 4 and divided by 4. This is what you have, sin alpha cos alpha whole square. We are having like this. Now this is 1 minus 3 by 4 into, we have 4 sin alpha cos alpha. That you can write as sin square 2 alpha. Sin square 2 alpha we can write. Because 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha, and that whole square, 2 square we can write like this totally. 1 minus 3 by 4. Now they given in our problem plus k into sin square 2 alpha. Sin square 2 alpha. Right? Here also plus k into sin square 2 alpha. If you do, actually they have to be cancelled and we have to left with 1. That means in the place of k you should have 3 by 4. Then only this is possible. We can cancel and we can get 1 as the answer. Right? That means you are going to have k value as 3 by 4. Then only this is possible. If you take k equal to 3 by 4, my dear students, then only this is possible. Then you will be getting the problem like that. Right? Very good. Now see another problem. Fourth one, prove that cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. Right? See my dear students, how we are going to do this problem. We have here cot A minus tan A. Right? The left hand side part. This is equal to cot A minus 1 by cot A we can write like this. Right? If you take LCM here, this is now cot A into cot square A minus 1, like this. Right? And we can write this is something like right, you write 2 into cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A, like this. Right? And this of course 2 into cot 2A. This is what cot 2A formula. And we got very nicely this particular problem. Right? See how beautifully we have taken here the left hand side part and we have got the right hand side part. This we can use as a result also. Cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. This we can use as like a result also nicely. See now another interesting problem, the fifth problem what we are having. This is a star marked problem, right? Prove that tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 tan 4A plus 8 cot 8A is equal to cot A, right? See my dear students, how we are going to do this particular problem, right? Now only we proved that cot A minus tan A is equal to cot A minus tan A. Now only we proved that is equal to 2 cot 2A. 2 cot 2A, like this. What let us do in our problem, let us take here 2 tan 2a in our problem what they given, plus 4 tan 4a plus 8 cot 8a. 8 cot 8a is equal to cot a minus tan a. Right? We can write like this. Actually, we want to prove this. Okay, let us get whether it is true or not. Cot a minus tan a. Cot a minus tan a, we know now only we proved that is 2 cot 2a like this. Right? Now you see 4 tan 4a plus 8 cot 8a is equal to what you are going to get, 2 cot 2a minus 2 tan 2a like this. 2 if you take common here, cot 2a minus tan 2a like this. Cot 2a minus tan 2a like this. Right? And of course this is equal to, by this formula, cot a minus tan a, 2 cot 2a. Right? This is 2 cot. In the place of a you are having 2a, therefore it is 4a. That means 4 cot 4a. You are going to get 4 cot 4a. Right, my dear students? Wonderful. Now you see that next we have to prove that if it is true, actually we have to get now 8 cot 8a is equal to 4 cot 4a minus 4 tan 4a. This has to be true. If actually what we are doing, if this is true means this is true, we are going to get that. Obviously we are going to get, if you take 4 as common here, we are going to get cot 4a minus tan 4a like this. And this is equal to 4 into 2 cot, okay, 8a we are going to get like this. That means you have got 8 cot 8a. That means you see 8 cot 8a equal to 8 cot 8a. That means this is true. This is true means this is true. This is true means this is true. This is true means this is true. Like this we can prove this wonderful problem. Right, my dear students? Like this we can prove this wonderful problem. Right? We have taken, actually if this is not true, we may not got 8 cot a equal to 8 cot a. We may have got something different. Since this is true, that's why we have got 8 cot a is equal to 8 cot 8a like this. 8 cot 8a equal to 8 cot 8a. We have got beautifully like this problem. Right? See, my dear students, next we have this interesting problem, the sixth one. Prove that, right, sine power 4a is equal to 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into cos 2a plus 1 by 8 into cos 4a. Right? 1 by 8 into cos 4a. How we are going to do this particular problem? Right? 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into cos 2a plus 1 by 8 into cos 4a. Right? Let us take, it is very simple that taking the complex part and proving the simple part like that. Here now right hand side part, this is 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into cos 2a. Right? Cos 2a purely in terms of sine we require. That is now 1 minus 2 sine square a like this. 1 minus 2 sine square a plus 1 by 8 into, right, cos 4a. Right? Cos 4a is nothing but 1 minus 2 sine square 2a like this. 1 minus 2 sine square 2a. Right? My dear students, now see, let us try to simplify this. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into 2 will cancel and this become now 2 sine square a. Right? Minus into minus plus 2 into 2 sine square a you are having here, plus 1 by 8 minus 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4 into 2 by 8 sine square 2a. Okay, sine square 2a, that we can write as 2 sine a cos a whole square like this. I am writing the direct steps. Right? 1 by 8, okay, I have written 1 by 8 into 2, 1 by 4, and the sine square 2a we can write as like this. Now this is now 3 by 8, you can take 8 as LCM here. Now 3 minus 2 fours, right, plus sine square a plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 into, right, 2 sine a cos a whole square. This is nothing but 4 sine square a cos square a like this. Right? Fine. And this 4 and 4 will cancel, of course. Now you have here 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 8 plus sine square a plus 1 by 8 minus sine square a into cos square a. Cos square a, you can write it as 1 minus sin square a, like this. Now this minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 will cancel. Now you have sin square a minus, let us multiply here, sin square a minus sin square a, minus sin square into 1, minus into minus plus. Now sin square a into sin square a, sin power 4a, like this. Now this and this will cancel and you have got the left hand side part very easily. See how nicely we have got this particular problem, my dear students. We have taken sin power 4a and we have got right hand side. Okay, we took the complicated part right hand side and we got the left hand side part beautifully, right, my dear students? Fine. See, now this problem frequently it is appearing in your JEE mains some objective problems. See how we will do this particular problem. Prove that sin a plus sin 3a plus sin 5a plus sin 7a by cos a plus cos 3a plus cos 5a plus cos 7a equal to tan 4a. For this, my dear students, we have two formulas, like one is sin c plus sin d. While we are doing the transformations, we will be getting this. This formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is one formula. And another one, remember, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, right? These are the two formulas we are going to use, my dear students. Now see, let us take the left hand side part. I am going to combine. See if I take sin a plus sin 7a, a plus 7a, 8a. Here 3a plus 5a, 8a. Here also the same concept we apply. I am going to group sin a plus sin 7a, like this, plus sin 3a plus sin 5a, like this. Whole thing divided by cos a plus cos 7a plus cos 3a plus cos 5a, like this. See, fine. This is like this we have combined, my dear students. Now sin c plus sin d, these are the two formulas I told you. Okay, however, we are going to prove them in our next transformations. Sin c plus sin d, in the place of c you are having a, in the place of d you are having 7a. Now this is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2, a plus 7a by 2, right? Cos c minus d by 2, cos a minus 7a by 2, this one, plus here also, right? 2 sin c plus d by 2, 3a plus 5a by 2 into cos 3a minus 5a by 2, like this. Wonderful. Now divided by this, what you are having, cos a plus cos 7a, like this. This is now 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos a plus 7a by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, cos, right, a minus 7a by 2, like this. Wonderful. Plus you have here 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 3a plus 5a by 2, right, cos, you have here 3a minus 5a by 2, 3a minus 5a by 2. This is what we have got here, like this, right, my dear students. Once we got the thing like this, what we do is, let us take, since there is no space, let us write here. Wonderful. This is equal to 2 into sin a plus 7a, 8a by 2, that is 2 sin 4a cos a minus 7a minus 6a by 2, that means minus 3a. Cos of minus theta become cos theta, therefore it become cos 3a, right, like this, plus 2 sin 3a plus 5a, 8a by 2, that is nothing but sin 4a, right, into cos 3a minus 5a. 3a minus 5a, how much you will get? Right, minus 2a by 2. That is a, cos a, you are going to get like this. Fine. Now the denominator also cos a plus 7a by 2. Cos 4a we will be getting cos a minus 7a by 2. Cos of minus 6a by 2, that is now cos 3a like this, plus 2 cos 3a plus 5a by 2. Cos 4a cos 3a minus 5a by 2. Cos of minus 2a by 2. Cos a. We are having like this. Wonderful. Now see, my dear students, we can take here 2 common. 2 sin 4a is common. 2 sin 4a if you take common. Right? What you are going to get is cos 3a plus cos a. This is what you are going to have. Divided by, right? Divided by, you have here 2 cos 4a common. You take 2 cos 4a as common. Then what you are going to have, cos 3a plus cos a. Right? Fine. And this we can cancel. 2 will cancel. Sin 4a by cos 4a. That is what tan 4a. That is what the right hand side part. You have taken actually the left hand side part and you got the right hand side part in this beautiful way. Right, my dear students? Now see, my dear students, the 8th problem, the last problem of this video. Prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. This is what you require to prove. What we do is, let us take the left hand side part, my dear students. We are going to group 1 minus cos theta as one term plus sin theta like this. Whole thing divided by 1 plus cos theta as one term plus sin theta, let us take like this. Now you know 1 minus cos theta half angle formula, that is 2 sin square theta by 2 plus sin theta half angle formula. What we are having is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 like this. Whole thing divided by 1 plus cos theta half angle formula is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 like this. Right? Fine. What we do is, now let us try to take common 2 sin theta by 2 here. 2 sin theta by 2 if you take common, we will have here sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 like this. Sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole thing divided by, here if you take 2 cos theta by 2 as common, 2 cos theta by 2 if you take common, we will have cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 like this. I think we can cancel this, right? My dear students, once we cancel this, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now what we have here, sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, that is nothing but tan theta by 2 like this, and that is the right hand side part. And in this case you have to observe clearly which one, if you take grouping, we will get our problem without confusion. That is what we need to check. Here 1 minus cos theta, because 1 minus cos theta we grouped, and this 1 plus cos theta we have grouped and we got like this, right? In this way, beautiful way, we will be getting these type of problems, right, my dear students? Fine. Like that we have plenty of things like in this model. Only thing you require to do is you have to observe neatly and group the required terms. Keep in mind what we require to prove, and based on that you have to make the steps and you have to prove that thing. Right, my dear students, here we know that the half angle formulas what we have used is 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Once again I am repeating, right? See here 1 minus, actually we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to, right, you know, 2 sin square theta, right? And half angle formula, I told half angle means you need to take half of the angle. From that you are going to get 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, right? This one, once again I am repeating. Similarly 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and half angle formula 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. These are the basic fundamental formulas you required. These are the basic fundamental formulas you required to do any problem, right? Many problems are based on these basic fundamental things. You need to be perfect. Once we are perfect in this, just we applied them and grouped. After grouping, we took common thing and cancelled. From that, we have got our problem. Okay, my dear students. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Don't forget. Okay, share to your friends.